Hey guys, welcome back to Matlock's Toy Room Reviews. I am continuing my DC Universe Classics Wave 9 figures. And we are doing figure number 3, and this is Guardian. First off, this is the Kimo Wave, and he comes with the right leg of Kimo, as you can see there. Very big piece. Got your standard packaging here for Guardian. This is first time in 6-inch. And to tell you the truth, this figure looks kind of lame. Really, the only reason I got it is just for the Collect and Connect piece. But we'll get more into that once we open them up. Of course, you got the 6 figures that you need to collect to get the Kimo. And then there was also the 7th bonus figure. You got a nice little bio there on Guardian. Then you got his statistics that have his first appearance was in Star Spangled Comics number 7 in 1942. Kind of cool. So let's take a quick break and we'll get Guardian out of the package. Alright, we're back with Guardian out of the package. First off, the very large right leg of Kimo. See, it's pretty good size. Comes up to the shoulder of Guardian there. So not too bad. And for the figure himself, he does come with one accessory, which is his shield, which is very lame. It's just a solid yellow plastic, no detail. They got the right shape, of course, but it's got these little kind of hard rubber bands on it. Not really movable very much. But I believe in the, I said before that this figure was kind of disappointing, and I remember seeing the prototype from one of the toy shows or something, and this figure was a lot better then. First off, I think the shield was gold. I mean, I think in the comics he has a yellow shield, not a gold shield, but I have to say this shield is hideous looking. It's just a piece of yellow plastic. It's ugly. And for the figure, the prototype that I remember seeing, I'm not sure, but it was a lot different. He actually had his yellow part to his costume. I don't know if this is an older version of Guardian or if just different, but the costume I've known him in, he has like yellow across the top, not just around his neck. It goes over his shoulders and down to his chest and part of his back. But maybe I'm crazy, but this costume is very, very plain, and the figure, there is not much detail here at all. You just got the blue, it's just plastic, the blue plastic, and you got yellow, and two-toned yellow at that. They didn't even match the yellow very well. Like in the joint and the waist is a yellow plastic, and right there on the legs is yellow paint. And it probably didn't pick up as well on camera, but in person you can just tell big time the difference between those. And that's a common issue between trying to match the plastic yellow to the actual paint yellow, which they cannot seem to get that right. A lot of toy companies have that problem though. And I just definitely, and this is the lamest of all the DC figures that I've had. Not necessarily the lamest character, but definitely the lamest figure. They actually detailed the eyes in there, which is a decent plus. Got some nice paint on his half of his face there. But really, that's about it. The figure, first one of the DC figures that I've actually had come damaged. His foot's kind of bent. And then one thing I actually noticed that I haven't noticed on any other DC figures is it actually has a side-to-side swivel, which I'll actually have to go back and check some of my other ones because I have not noticed that in the past figures. So that is cool, but with this bent foot it doesn't really work, so not sure what's up with that. And maybe this is just an accident, maybe this isn't even supposed to do this. Not too sure on that, but definitely a lame figure, you know. This guy's going in the back of the display shelf for sure. He's not going up front. But Guardian, thanks for checking them out.